From nearly the beginning of time, relative wealth has been based on one of nature's rarest treasures, gold. Throughout the world, from at least 560 BC until 1971, gold was used in some form as money, stamped into coins, traded for goods, and made into jewelry for pharaohs, kings, and queens. Today, gold is traded in commodity and gold trading markets around the world, with frequent price fluctuations ranging hundreds of dollars per ounce.
Hey, Bill here with Chakotay Outdoor Recreation. So, I just got into these Goldbacks, and what got me into them was they're fractional gold. So, if you have an ounce of gold, let's say this is an ounce of silver, but let's say it was an ounce of gold. You know, an ounce of gold is a couple of grand right now, and you can't use it to trade for a carton of eggs. Fractional gold are smaller denominations of gold, and the one I like from Goldbacks, I like the Wyoming because, well, the gal in here is really cute. She's got an eagle and a buffalo. I'll try to show that to you. It's hard with the light. But what that is 1,000 troy ounce, 24 gold. So basically, this one denomination Goldback, if you had 1,000 of these, you would have an actual ounce of gold. Right now, this is worth about $4 to $5, and I could trade this for, a thing of eggs or whatever, and that makes it kind of usable. It makes it a usable gold, and that's kind of neat. And another thing is this: if you're going to invest in metals, right? It can get very expensive. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't have $3,000 or $4,000 sitting around every 5 days to invest in an ounce of gold. When it comes down to it, it would be very hard to spend it in an apocalypse situation, because it would still be an ounce. This allows me fractional gold that I can actually use to trade and barter. What these are Mexican coins, and the reason I bring this up is these are some pretty old Mexican coins. They're pesos, and they're 90% silver, so they're worth a heck of a lot more now than uno peso, believe me. You got your silver ounces and your copper ounces, and all that was meant to kind of offset the whole raw metal thing if you wanted to conduct a transaction. The Goldback solves all of that because it's fractional gold. Like I said, 1,000 one denominations is actually 1 ounce of gold. And if you had 1,000 of these, you put it on the scale, it is an ounce of gold. I've tested these personally. They are actually filled with gold, pure gold, 24 karat. They're very thin. They're metal. There's nothing on the back whatsoever, and they're absolutely gorgeous, man. If you could see the artwork on this, there's a Native American woman on here with an eagle and a buffalo, and she's just beautiful. My favorite out of all the Goldbacks is Wyoming. Now, they make them for New Hampshire. They're making them for Utah. They make them for some other states. Even Alaska's getting ready to come online. So it's kind of exciting. If you do get the Goldbacks, go ahead and fork out the money, get the Goldback wallet. It's kind of a neat thing to be able to grab and go. But I wanted to show you this, just to explain to you my thought process. In 1975, we were allowed once again in the United States to own physical gold. Okay, we were allowed to own physical gold. We were given that permission again in 1975 from our benevolent government. And at the time, gold was $194 an ounce. Now, of course, in 1975, I remember $194 was actually a lot of money. Silver was $4.44 an ounce. What do you think it is today? I'll give you a minute. Boom. Let's flip it over, Bob. So gold today, this is in 2023 right now, $1,814.45. Silver, $20.14. So if you'd have stacked some Goldbacks away back then, you'd have done pretty good for yourself. And that's the whole concept behind it is as a working man, forking out $2-3 grand every couple of months, that's going to kill you. But could you take $20, $40, $50, $100, maybe even $194, and over time fill this wallet with Goldbacks? And then an emergency situation, emergency situation comes up, you flip it together, there it is, got the Goldbacks all over, you throw that in your go bag, and if you do need to have some kind of currency that you can negotiate in, you have it. Usable. Anyway, wanted to share that with you.
Stay safe, stay warm, stay free.